Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coursera courses, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Coursera website. If you don't have an account, click on join for free to create one. Fill out the required information to register for a new account. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, browse or search for the course you want to install. Click on the course title to access the course information page. Review the course description and ensure it meets your learning objectives. Look for the Enroll button and click on it to sign up for the course. Choose your payment option, if applicable, and complete the enrollment process. After enrollment, navigate to your My Courses section to find the course. Click on the course to begin your learning experience. Explore the course layout, including modules, assignments, and quizzes. Download any required materials provided by the instructor if available. Check the course schedule and set reminders for upcoming deadlines. Engage with the course content by watching videos and completing readings. Participate in discussion forums to connect with peers. Take notes and bookmark important resources throughout the course. Complete assignments and quizzes as per the course requirements. Monitor your progress through the course dashboard. At the end of the course, download your certificate if eligible. Evaluate your learning experience and consider sharing feedback with the instructor. Repeat this process for any additional courses you wish to install. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.